This mini cup of ice cream, how much?
627.
$6.27. $6.27. Oh man.
801. And this one is 953.
$9.53. This
Right.
that looks like a small cup.
And the small shake is 1083.
$10.83.
And the regular 1137. In the small there are
That's it. I used to love Häagen-Dazs ice cream. I still do, but.
and
Well, guys, like he said, this car has 90,000 mileage and is 2014. 2014 সালের গাড়ি 90,000 miles চলছে. All leather, backup camera আছে. Pretty good. What's up, guys? I hope everybody's doing good. Another video for you guys today. Well, I am going to my old workplace where I used to work. I worked there for what? 5 to 6 years, guys. I was there. So guys, I called over there. I spoke to Ismail Bhai, who take care of the shop now. He was saying that they renovate that shop. It looks really nice. Come take a look. So I'm like, you know what? I'm coming there. Let me visit you. And also, another surprise thing he told me, he bought a car. So let's go see what kind of car he bought. Guys, I love Scarsdale. I loved working here back in the days. It's a beautiful place. Luxury houses, nice, you know, it's just beautiful, and it's expensive. One of the most expensive area. Scarsdale. It's close to White Plain, like 2 stops away. Well, I'm almost there. Well, finally parked. Let's go take a look, guys. Let me show you guys my old workplace. It's right over there. Well, this is the neighborhood. It's always beautiful here. See the dog? That's where the Häagen-Dazs is. Well, they renovated, so I'm about to go see how beautiful it looks. But other than that, I always used to chill around here, guys. Sometime on my break, sit around here, enjoy my ice cream. Today no meter, free. It's Memorial Day. Beautiful vibe. Well, flavors lined up is same, but look at this, all marble. This is crazy. Just love how it looks. Totally changed. Everything changed over here. Decorations they have. Guys, you see this drink? Used to be right by the cake. Now they bring it in the middle. Some of that menu changed. But everything looks so fancy and beautiful. I love this new design. All tiles over there. And some more stickers coming over here and over there. Yeah, this is funny. Look at this guy. Okay, when I used to work, how much was the mini cup, small cup of ice cream? When we used to work.
I work
That was
397.
$3.99 right now?
627.
Shit, man. Oops. $5.79 plus tax, right?
With tax 801. No, yeah. With
The small cup, how much
Mini
is it now?
cup.
Mini cup, how much now?
627.
$6.20. How big is the mini cup? Let me see. This mini cup of ice cream, how much?
627.
$6.27. $6.27. Oh man.
801. And this one is 953.
$9.53. This that looks like a small cup.
And the small shake is 1083.
$10.83.
And the regular 1137. In In the small, they are
That's it. I used to love Haagen-Dazs ice cream. I still do, but
and 11.37.
how much is a big pint?
Fine. The four.
I mean the quart. How much is the quart right now?
18 and 13.
18 and 13. Oh man, nice. But I like this new design, man. It's nice.
18 is that.
No.
That figure, everything is on the board.
Oh yeah. But I like this. Everything is marble and stuff.
And the cake is split.
The same design's gonna be there and in the middle, right? You said?
Right. It's sit down here.
No more sitting area right here. Before used to be tables. In my last video, I'll put a link down to show you. Where is it? Luxury is where you are.
Yeah. Where you are, you know.
Yeah.
You're living down cars also. You
I
know.
heard you buy a car.
Yeah.
Let's go. We're gonna go take a look at your car.
I bring the cake.
Nice, nice. Oh yeah. Over there is table. Over here. Over here is different. Over here is gonna be what? Big round table.
Big table comes.
Oh, okay. Then it's good because right now.
6 people sit down.
Okay. Then it's good. Right. Well, there's a car he bought, so I'm gonna give you a tour, guys. Let's go. So that's your car you buy, right?
Yeah.
Well, চাবি নিয়ে নিলাম ইসমাইল ভাই গাড়ি কিনছে Look at this বড় গাড়ি Honda CR-V. Well guys, before I give an review or how the car looks, let's go for a spin. Let's see how it is. Okay. I see all leather. Let me go for a spin first. Well, it is all powered. It drives good. It drives fine, has backup camera and everything. It's pretty cool. Let me stop somewhere and take a look at everything. Okay, let me park right next to my car. Well guys, like he said, this car has 90,000 mileage and is 2014 2014 সালের গাড়ি 90,000 miles চলছে all leather backup camera আছে pretty good body and everything ওই আমার গাড়ির মতন আর কি আমারটা হলো 2017 এর so next time আমার গাড়ির রিভিউ দেব না this car let me see the back clean oh trunk is pretty big Honda CR-V guys this car is pretty good not bad উপর দিয়ে সানরুফের আছে আবার the whole thing I think yep পিছনের সাইডও সামনে এটাও করা যায় ওপেন করা যায় not bad oh well গাড়িটা ভালোই লাগলো কিনলো ইসমাইল ভাই এখন হাগেন-ডাজ যাই একটু আইসক্রিম খাইয়া তারপরে এখান থেকে ভাগি well Ismail bhai I will see you next time
Sure.
it's a nice beautiful day right guys always a great vibe here coming Well guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. And definitely let me know what you guys want to see next. So I will see you guys on my next video, guys. Peace out.